boffins in the kitchen are very scientific.
It's dissolving, Aristotle.
And now it's changing colour.
They're always asking questions, both general and specific.
What does the book say?
Perhaps a few more drops.
Careful, Newton, the bin's slippery.
Thanks, Echo.
The boffins from the house next door think science isn't fun. They much prefer to hang round or lie back in the sun.
Oh, I wish I had my skateboard. Yikes!
Come on.
Now boffins live in cupboards, that's where they like to stay. Let's see what sort of science the boffins do today.
Madame Curie, will you please stop all this fussing?
I'm not fussing, I'm dusting.
Well, it's not very scientific.
And neither is living in a pigsty.
Oh, dear.
Oh, that's much better. A boffin can think properly now. But there's something missing.
The dust. The dust is missing. I quite liked the dust.
Flowers. A flower or two would brighten up the laboratory and allow us to think a lot more colourfully. Find some.
What? But we're scientists. We're not florists. Anyway, the kitchen doesn't have any flowers.
Well, you're a scientist. Discover some.
What?
And if you don't, I'll dust you.
Oh dear.
Go on. Go on, get up there.
Oh dear.
Oh, there it is, Newton.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you look a bit down in the dumps.
Oh, yes. Madame Curie wants me to find her a flower, and if I don't, she's going to dust me.
I'll give her that one.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh. But that one looks plastic.
Good. It'll never need watering. Here,
Oh.
I'll get it off for you.
Oh, would you? Thank you, Newton.
Oh, must be glued on.
Right. Well, use this stick as a lever.
See, Echo? I told you the spear would be useful for something.
It must be glued on with super glue.
Yes, well, in that case, it'll need a super effort to get it off.
Hey!
Oh, careful. No, don't break the petals. Don't flatten it. Oh, well done.
You got it?
Okay, now, take it off. Oh.
Oh, it's off all right, but it wants to go back on.
Well, turn it away from the fridge.
Oh, good idea.
Oh.
No, it's trying to get away.
Aristotle, I thought you were collecting flowers.
Well, we are, but as you can see, it's putting up a bit of a fight. Oh. Oh, dear.
It must be a new sort of invisible super glue.
Or a new force.
A force?
Yes.
I think he means we'll have to force the flour off the kettle.
No.
Newton, no. Oh,
Oh.
Yikes!
oh, no. The flour.
Oh, forget the flour. Look what's on my spear.
It's the source of the force.
I don't want my spear covered in sauce.
Oh, not that sort of sauce, you silly boffin.
Oh.
Careful.
Oh!
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's fallen on the floor.
Well, perhaps there might be a scientific way of getting it back.
Oh, no, not science again. It's because of science I lost my spear.
Oh, there, dear. It's not the end of the world.
It took me ages to make that spear, Madame Curie.
And now you've dropped it.
Oh. It's a funny thing to be inside a flower.
Yes, my sentiments exactly, Madame Curie. First, it was stuck to the fridge.
Then it was stuck to the spear.
Yes.
Yes.
And now it's stuck to the kettle.
Oh. Just a minute. I wonder...
What? What is she doing?
So, it must get stuck to anything made of the same material as the fridge.
Fridge stuff.
No. Metal. That's what this new secret force gets stuck to.
There's that word force again.
Yes.
But I still don't understand what it means.
Well, if I thump you...
Hey!
Or bump you
Hey!
and you start spinning...
about, that's a force.
Of course.
Any sort of an action that has a reaction on a body like you, me, is a force.
And it's quite plain to see. And I say it with glee. There are many strange forces acting on me. I've just had a brilliant idea.
Oh, a scientific idea?
I hope not. The secret force got stuck to the spear, so it must be made of metal too. Perhaps we can use the secret force to get the spear back again.
Spiffling, Newton! Fetch some rope! We've got some science to do! Lower away!
I'm lowering. We're nearly there.
Another centimetre or so.
Yes.
Ah,
Got it.
we got it!
Heave, everybody. Yes. Yes, it's coming. Lift off. We have lift off.
Oh, good.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Yes.
Careful. You're almost there.
Ah,
Yay!
We got it.
Excellent. Now, what should we call it?
I think we should call it the Newton. I discovered it.
Well, it was attached to the flower. Perhaps it should be called flower power.
Oh, I know. We should call it a magnet, and the force we should call magnetism.
Oh, a magnet. I like the word. How did you think of it?
Oh, it was fairly simple, really.
Is it a word you thought of all by yourself?
No, it was written on the side, you see. Magnet. I discovered it myself, though.
Oh, Aristotle.
Oh, but I'm curie. Well, if I thump you...
Hey!
Or bump you
Hey!
and you start spinning...
about, that's a force.
Of course.
Any sort of an action that has a reaction on a body like you, me, is a force.
And it's quite plain to see. And I say it with glee. There are many strange forces acting on me.